Touch you fix them. Now you've been talking and you say, oh, oh, things you never say to me. Oh, oh, tell me that you had enough of love. Oh, just give me a reason, a little bit too much. A second when I go into bed and we can live again. Just